introduction of C is basic computer language. It is used for programming in computer. C programming is the language which is used for general purpose and it is procedural oriented language. It is developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie, scientist at Bell Laboratory. The C language is developed on the basis of Unix operating system. Let's see the next point of C programming. What is meaning of algorithm? Algorithm is step-by-step procedure which defines instructions to be executed. What type of instructions to be executed during programming? Let's see actually what are the facts in between the algorithm. Algorithms, the characteristics of algorithms are, it is